I do believe that mothers would have their own strong side as well. Mothers would not only be there to give us comfort and consolation, most especially to all of us, their children, but more than those, mothers can be so strong and firm. Kaya ng mga ina ang maging matapang, ang maging malakas, lalo na kapag kinakailangan ng mga anak nila. I hope those statements can be, mothers would approve, lalo na po sa mga nanonood o sa mga nagsisimba sa atin ngayon. I can be wrong, but I do believe you have your own strong side as well. I remember my own mother when news about us being treated badly at school, either by the administration or by our classmates, hindi yan makakapigil mag-report o magsabi sa mga class advisors naming magkapatid na kami ay inaway ng kaklase namin o kami ay napagsalitaan ng masama. We've heard the readings about visitations today. We've heard how God has been willing to visit His daughter Zion during their time of trouble and their distress. And on the one hand, here is the Blessed Virgin Mary, pregnant in her very young age, went the extra mile to visit her cousin Elizabeth. May pagdalaw silang ginawa dahil may pangangailangan. The Lord visited Zion, the Lord Mary visited Elizabeth as a sign of comfort and their strength. God revealing His very strong side. Not only a God who is comforting and consoling, but a God ready to show His strong side for us. We celebrate today one very famous titles, or shall we say apparitions of the Blessed Virgin Mary, Our Lady of Guadalupe. When the Blessed Mother appeared to Juan Diego, she appeared to her not only as a mark that this is a new apparition for the church, but Mary came to Juan Diego. She came to the life of this man as a sign of help, as a sign that mothers once more would bear their strong side. Sino ba si Juan Diego? Noong mga panahon na yon, hindi naman kinikilala ang mga taong katulad ni Juan Diego. He may be one of those outcasts, those less prioritized, less learned, shall we say. Minamaliit si Juan Diego noon. Hindi na siya pinaniniwalaan, kaya sumaklolo si Maria para palakasin siya at maging masaya ang buhay niya. We hold on to this consolation, my dear brothers and sisters. The Lord will be willing to take the extra mile to be with us. The Lord will be on the go to help us. The Lord will be on the rescue. The Lord will be able and will always show His strong side to help us. As mothers can be as consoling as they can be strong and firm, most especially when we would need it. Dahil hindi pabayaang Diyos, ayaw niyang nag-iisa tayo, natatalo tayo o bumabagsak tayo. God will visit us. Mama Mary, will visit us and give us the consolation we ever need.